Today we will discuss about elevation tags. I welcome all the friends on my channel. Subscribe it for the latest videos. Like and share also. We will open any sample project. We found 4 default elevations in drawing working area. The topside elevation tag is north. The opposite direction of north is always south. So opposite elevation tag is south tag. When the north is in front of you, the east is in your right hand. So right hand tag is east elevation tag and the east opposite direction is west. So remaining tag is west elevation tag. It's a universal rule. These elevation tags guide us the direction of any project. You move cursor on any elevation tag, its name displays. Select triangle, view name displays in properties palette. If you want to go in any elevation view, right click on triangle. Go to elevation view. Now you are in elevation view. You can do same procedure through project browser by selecting any view in building elevation. Square box represent elevation and the triangle represent view direction. Select square box. Yellow check boxes will be appear. View direction will be hide by unchecking box. You can also add any direction by check the box. You can assign any name of elevation tag through properties palette. Or you can rename tags through project browser. Every object is linked. You assign a name through any method. Other places update themselves automatically. Blue color lines appears by selecting the view direction. It calls for clipping line. There are 3 options of for clipping in properties palette. First option is no clip. It is not clipping the model at any place. Second option is clip without line. This option is not showing model lines from clipping point. Third option is clip with line. It is showing edge lines of model from clipping point. You can adjust for clip offset distance of elevation head. For clipping offset distance is not applicable in first option. In other options you can adjust it. Area between elevation head and for clip plane is called model display area. If the model is outside of model display area, it will not appear in elevation. You can move building elevation tag and put it any desired location according to model location. You can also create elevation head. For that purpose, select elevation from view tab and place it any desired location. Adjust direction from yellow boxes as you like and can assign name of tag from properties or project browser. We can also change the shape of elevation tags. For that, select tags and go edit type in properties palette. Select elevation tag in graphics. There are different shapes of tags in elevation mark. Select any shape as per your desire. I hope you like my today's educational video, so keep watching.